Alright, we're gonna set up this alarm clock. And so you're gonna go to this, and it is right in here. So it says first time setup. So you're gonna plug it up, and then on the back of it has the setup button, and then hit the setup mode. So you're gonna go to the back of it, and you see right here it says setup. Hold down that button for a second, and then that'll flash. Then you can move this around, or you can move these. So we're gonna do 2024, and then hit enter. Then it's gonna have the month, and it's all, I put it on August. You hit enter. Then the 19th, enter. Enter. It's 11:14 a.m. Enter. Changes the hour and the minutes. Enter. Enter. And there it is. And that's how you set it up.